Everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to look at one of the most frequently asked interview questions, and that is, how does Tableau grouping work? Grouping allows us to organize and categorize our data, making it easier to analyze and visualize. Grouping also enhances visualizations by creating clearer and more insightful data sets. Let's see this in action by using an example. I've already connected to my data set, which shows me magnitude 6 plus earthquakes from 1900 to 2013. I'll focus on a field called place. I'll filter this down to a single value. As you can see here, there are multiple instances of 6 plus magnitude earthquakes happening all around Japan. But if you wanted to report on a single value or Japan as a whole, how do you do that? That's where grouping comes into place. You'll right click on your place column and you click on create and you click on group. You can either go ahead and multi-select using your keyboard and mouse, or Tableau has this neat search feature that looks for the word Japan in the entire data set in this column. So if I hit find all and I scroll up and down, you can see Japan has been selected everywhere it exists. Next, I want to just click on this button called group. And just like that, it has created all of these values into a single group called Japan. And as you can see, a new attribute has appeared here called place group. So if I take this and I drop it onto my rows shelf, you can see Japan has been created and all these values have been attributed or clubbed into Japan. And this data has presented many attributes like that as well. So if I look for Italy, there are multiple places that show Italy. And I can go ahead and create my group called Italy. Same way I did Japan, and it'll show up. Another thing to keep in mind here is this add to feature here up at top, the drop down. All the groups you create show up here. So in the future, if you missed a value and you need to club it in here or add it to one of these groups, you can easily do that. As an example, even though it doesn't fit, let's just take this one and we can add it to, for example, say Japan, and it'll get added to the Japan group. For now, we don't need that here, so we can ungroup that part and hit OK. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching.